Understanding, to quote from A Guide for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, to quote from. This expression is commonly used in English when referring to mentioning someone else's words. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use this phrase confidently in your writing and speaking. So, let's dive in. To quote from is a phrase used when you want to repeat someone else's words verbatim, which means exactly as they were spoken or written. This is often done to provide evidence, support an argument, or give an example. When you quote from a book, article, or person, you're giving credit to the original source of the information. Using to quote from is straightforward. You start with the phrase, followed by the title of the work or the name of the person you are quoting. It's important to use quotation marks around the exact words you are borrowing. For example, to quote from Shakespeare, to be or not to be, that is the question. In her book, the author states, to quote from The Art of Communication, effective dialogue is the key to personal growth. When you use to quote from, it's crucial to provide context. This means you should explain why the quote is relevant to your topic and how it supports your point. Without context, quotes can be confusing or misleading to the listener or reader. One common mistake is using the phrase, to quote from, incorrectly by not citing the source. Always ensure that the source of your quote is clear. Also, avoid overusing quotations. Your work should be mostly your own words, with quotes enhancing or illustrating your points. That's all for today. Remember, using to quote from is a great way to incorporate the expertise and eloquence of others into your communication. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using this phrase in English. Happy learning, and see you next time.